Check it out guys, I got a brand new product on the market that helps keep your vent area clear of water and debris. This rubber seal guard works for both the Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. I really think Tesla should have installed this on all their vehicles as the rainwater and debris seem to accumulate down in the vent from my experience. This is a super easy install as it all connects into place. When you first get your weather seal, you'll notice it comes into 3 sections along with a rubber seal, some extra clips, and finally 2 packets of adhesive promoter. Take one end of the rubber seal and slide it into the track of the first piece. Make sure to choose an end piece as a starting point. Next, take your middle piece and slide the rubber seal into the track until both pieces meet. You can see how both pieces connect by clipping them together like so. Finally, take your last piece and again slide the rubber seal into the track and connect it with the middle piece. If you have a Model 3 like me, you may have some extra rubber at the end that may need to be cut off. I'm assuming this is the correct length for the Model Y as the pieces will be longer in the kit for the Model Y purchase. Place it over the hood of your Tesla and wipe down the end of the hood thoroughly to remove any dirt. Notice you'll have 4 plastic covers that will need to be removed with the pry tool. Take your time removing all 4 of these covers. There's 2 on the left and then 2 on the right. Take the included adhesive promoter and wipe down the area where this rubber seal will be installed. Now remove all the red tape on the plastic trim and expose the sticky side of the 3M adhesive tape. Finally, line up the clips from the plastic trim with the holes from the hood of the Tesla. You will hear them snap into place going from one side to the other. I also pushed down on the tape section of each trim piece for about 5 seconds, ensuring it was secure to the hood. And that's it for the install. I did a quick water test before installing this weather seal and I also tried it after installation. I will say I probably dumped too much water on the hood as this would obviously not be a realistic rainstorm. After opening the hood, you can see where the line is from the weather seal, and again I think I poured too much water on here, but realistically this would not be running down into the vent. The water probably pooled up behind the rubber seal and then when I opened the hood it ran downward. Not only for water, but this should also help minimize leaves and pine needles from falling down in the front area. Overall, for the price of around 30 bucks, I think it's a no-brainer. What do you think of this new product? Let me know down below. If you're interested, you can find this in the link below this video. To see even more accessories from every video I've created, be sure to check out my new website at evanmichaels.com. Everything you want to know about your Tesla with the latest accessories can now be found on one page. Again, my name is Evan. Until the next video, stay safe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.